Ikaw Bad habits lesson quiz. Number 1. He always dashes his nails when he's nervous. Part A, press. Part B, bias. Part C, choose. Number 2. I'm trying to dash eating junk. Part A, quit. Part B, pick up. Part C, practice. Number 3. She spent too much time dash social media. Part A, fighting. Part B, scrolling. Part C, chill. Number 4. He often dash when others are speaking. Part A, interrupts. Part B, bites. Part C, flees. Number 5. I want to dash habits of staying up late. Part A, create. Part B, break. Or C, can't. Number 6. Talking with your mouth full is considered dash. Polite. Part B, helpful. Part C, rude. Number 7. A dash maintain every few minutes, even during meals. Part A, check. Part B, forget. Part C, oversee. Number 8. It's easy to dash a bad habit but hard to stop it. Part A, avoid. Part B, take up. Part C, lie. Number 9. He's always dash forward. Part A, on time. Part B, early. Part C, late. Number 10. She dashed too much tea after speed. Part A, walks. Part B, reads. Part C, rags it. Take your quiz till the 10 and match your answer to the last page. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.